Hey there, business owners and QuickBooks Online warriors. Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of timesheets, chasing down employees for their hours, and then manually inputting it all into QuickBooks Online? I mean, really, in this age of automation, shouldn't there be a better way? Shouldn't your employees be able to, dare I say, enter their own time? Let's be real, time tracking can be a massive headache. You're juggling a million things. Sales, marketing, keeping the lights on, and then, boom, you're hit with the weekly or bi-weekly time entry mountain. You're scrambling, trying to decipher scribbled notes, deciphering start times, and wondering if anyone actually remembers what they did on Tuesday. And your employees? They're probably thinking, why do I have to wait for someone else to enter my time? I know what I worked. This isn't just about saving you time, though. It's about accuracy, efficiency, and empowering your team. Imagine a world where employees can directly input their hours, projects, and even notes into QuickBooks Online. No more paper trails, no more miscommunications, and definitely no more late-night data entry sessions. Now, before we dive into the how, let's address the why. Why is this even important? Well, first, it cuts down on errors. Human error is inevitable, especially when transferring data from one format to another. Direct employee input minimizes the risk of mistakes, ensuring your payroll and job costing are spot on. Second, it saves you, the business owner or manager, valuable time. Time that could be better spent growing your business, strategizing, or, actually taking a lunch break. Third, it fosters a sense of accountability. When employees are responsible for their own time tracking, they're more likely to be accurate and conscientious. And finally, it improves communication. With clear notes and project details entered directly, everyone's on the same page. Okay, so we know why it's great, but can employees actually enter their own time in QuickBooks Online? The short answer is yes, with a few caveats and a bit of setup. QuickBooks Online itself offers a basic time tracking feature, but it's designed primarily for administrators to enter time. However, it's not designed for mass employee self-service in the same way that a dedicated time tracking system is. Here's the breakdown. The native QuickBooks Online time tracking. QuickBooks Online has a built-in time tracking feature. You can access it through the Time tab on the left-hand navigation. You can enter time for individual employees, select the customer or project, choose the service, and add notes. This is perfect for occasional adjustments or when you're managing a small team. However, the standard employee user roles in QuickBooks Online are generally restricted from directly entering their own time in this section. Their permissions are limited for good reason, to protect the financial integrity of the company. The Employee Portal limited functionality. QuickBooks Online does offer an employee portal, but it's primarily designed for viewing pay stubs and W-2s. While it can be used to see their time, it doesn't provide a direct, user-friendly interface for entering their own hours. The solution? Third-party time tracking integrations. This is where the magic happens. QuickBooks Online is designed to integrate seamlessly with a wide range of third-party time tracking apps. These apps are specifically built for employee self-service and offer robust features that go beyond the basic functionality of QuickBooks Online. These apps often have features like mobile time tracking. Employees can clock in and out from their smartphones, even on the go. GPS tracking, to verify location and ensure accurate time reporting. Project and job costing, detailed tracking of time spent on specific projects and tasks. Approval workflows. Managers can review and approve timesheets before they're synced with QuickBooks Online. Customizable reporting, generate detailed reports on employee hours, project costs, and more. Real-time synchronization, seamlessly sync data with QuickBooks Online, eliminating manual data entry. How to choose the right time tracking app. With so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your business? Here are a few key factors to consider. Integration with QuickBooks Online. Ensure the app integrates seamlessly with your QuickBooks Online account. Ease of use. The app should be intuitive and easy for your employees to use. Features. Consider the specific features you need, such as mobile time tracking, GPS tracking, and project costing. Pricing. Choose an app that fits your budget. Customer support. Look for a provider with excellent customer support. Setting up the integration. Once you've chosen a time tracking app, setting up the integration with QuickBooks Online is usually straightforward. Most apps provide step-by-step instructions. You'll typically need to connect your QuickBooks Online account to the app and configure the settings. Employee training. After setting up the integration, it's essential to train your employees on how to use the new system. Provide clear instructions and answer any questions they may have. Benefits of using a third-party time tracking app. Increased accuracy. Reduces errors associated with manual data entry. Improved efficiency. Saves time and streamlines the payroll process. Enhanced accountability. Empowers employees to take ownership of their time tracking. Better project management. Provides detailed insights into project costs and timelines. Real-time data. Gives you up-to-date information on employee hours and project progress. So, to answer the initial question, yes, employees can effectively enter their own time into QuickBooks Online, but it's best done through a robust, well-integrated third-party application. This approach provides the best of both worlds, the power of QuickBooks Online accounting with the specialized features of a dedicated time tracking solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.